Are you looking for the best wood lathes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wood lathes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Jet JWL 1221 vs Variable Speed Wood Lathe. The Jet JWL 1221 vs Variable Speed Wood Lathe is our pick for the best overall wood lathe. It features a powerful motor that can deliver between 60 and 3,600 revolutions per minute, RPMs, adjustable via a control knob, which should be more than enough for most projects. The lathe smoothly switches between forward and reverse at the flip of a switch. The spring-loaded spindle lock makes it easy to change wood projects, and belt tension is easy to adjust with the unique ratchet-style belt tensioning system. We enjoyed the smooth operation, especially in high RPMs afforded by the Jet JWL 1221 vs, and we could only complain that it's a little heavy at 136 pounds, and the motor sits under the headstock, which causes it to collect a lot of shavings and dust. It provides 21 inches between centers and a 12-inch swing. At number 2. WEN Variable Speed Benchtop Wood Lathe. The WEN 3421 Variable Speed Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe is our pick for the best wood lathe for the money. The work area is 12 inches long and 8 inches wide and is perfect for smaller projects like pens, cups, bowls, and more. The 3.2 amp motor will turn the wood between 750 and 3,200 RPMs. The 2.3-inch faceplate, MT1 spindle, and tailstock taper are all durably built, and despite being mostly cast iron, it only weighs 44.9 pounds. The downside to the WEN 3421, especially when compared to our top choice, is that the RPMs are a little slower, and there's less variable range in RPMs. We also found that it bogged down easily, so you need to be mindful of your application pressure. It provides 12 inches between centers and an 8-inch swing. At number 3. Shopfox W1704 Benchtop Lathe. The Shopfox W1704 Benchtop Lathe features a 12-inch workspace for working on small projects. It has 2 tool rests for various turning applications. The 1/3 HP engine creates up to 3,200 RPM, and the speed is variable. Its cast iron construction is durable, yet the entire machine weighs only 52 pounds. While we were using the Shopfox W1704, we felt it was not very powerful, and it would often bog down even when working on small projects, and the knobs would often work themselves loose from the vibrations. It provides 12 inches between centers and an 8-inch swing. At number 4. Delta Industrial 46-460 Variable Speed Midi Lathe. The Delta Industrial 46-460 Variable Speed Midi Lathe features a 1 HP motor that can deliver up to 1,725 RPM that you can adjust using the variable speed controller down to 700 RPM. Different pulleys change the range of RPMs, and the 12.5-inch swing is perfect for smaller projects. It weighs about 100 pods and features a patented belt tensioning system for making quick adjustments. What we didn't like about the Delta Industrial 46-460 was that the bed wasn't completely smooth and made it hard to use the tools in certain areas. It vibrates quite a bit at higher RPMs, and they installed the forward and reverse switches backward. We checked the internet to see if we were the only ones with a backward switch, but apparently, everyone does. At number 5. Nova 71118 Comet 2-Drive Midi Lathe. The Nova 71118 Comet 2-Drive Midi Lathe uses a 3/4 HP motor to deliver speeds between 250 and 4,000 RPM. You can tell exactly how fast the wood is turning by checking the convenient digital readout. 16.5 inches between centers and a 12-inch swing is plenty of room for most small projects, and a forward/reverse switch allows you to use the machine as needed for different projects. The 6-inch tool rest is completely adjustable and is an adequate size, and the machine is fairly lightweight at 82 pounds. The problem we had with the Nova 71118 was that it continuously bogged down with even the slightest pressure, and our digital readout burned out a few months after we got it.